In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design a simple paper holder prototype in Fusion 360 step by step. This is a great beginner project if you're new to Autodesk Fusion 360 and want to practice basic sketching and extrusion tools while creating a practical object. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clean 3D model of a paper holder that you could even modify for 3D printing or product prototyping. If you find tutorials like this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Fusion 360 and CAD design guides. Alright, let's jump into Fusion 360 and start designing. First, open Autodesk Fusion 360 and create a new design. Once your workspace loads, go to the toolbar at the top and click on Create Sketch. Fusion 360 will now ask you to choose a plane to draw on. For this design, select the top plane so we can build the base of the paper holder from the ground up. After selecting the plane, use the circle tool and draw a circle in the center of the grid. This circle will become the base of the paper holder, so you can make it a moderate size depending on how wide you want your holder to be. Once the circle looks good, click Finish Sketch in the toolbar to exit sketch mode. Now we're going to turn this flat circle into a solid base. Select the circle profile you just created, then click the Extrude tool from the Create menu. Drag the arrow upward slightly or type in a small value to extrude the base a few millimeters. This creates a solid circular platform that will support the rest of the holder. After confirming the extrusion, you should now see a short cylinder forming the base of the model. This base will keep the paper holder stable when papers are stacked on it. Next, we'll create the vertical pole that holds the papers. Click on the top face of the base you just extruded, then start a new sketch on that surface. Once the sketch opens, choose the circle tool again and draw a smaller circle right in the center of the base. This circle represents the pole where papers will be placed. Make sure it is centered so the holder stays balanced. When you're happy with the size of the circle, click Finish Sketch again. Now select that smaller circle profile and use the Extrude tool one more time. This time, extrude the circle upward much higher than the base. This creates a long cylindrical pole rising from the base. The height can be adjusted depending on how many sheets of paper you want the holder to support. Once the extrusion is complete, you'll see a simple but functional paper holder prototype made entirely with basic Fusion 360 tools. At this point, you can rotate the model and inspect it from different angles. You can also experiment with dimensions, add fillets to smooth edges, or modify the base size to improve stability. These small adjustments help turn a basic concept into a more refined prototype. And that's it. You've successfully designed a simple paper holder prototype in Fusion 360 using sketches and extrusions. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 design tutorials and beginner-friendly CAD projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.